Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our dot programming language course. I hope you all are fine. Our previous tutorial was about asset. Now in today's tutorial we will discuss switch case. The switch case basically used to control the flow of our program, similar like if else but with different syntax. Here you can see the syntax of switch case. There is an expression here, and on the basis of this expression we will make different case, right? There are different cases, and at the end there will be a default case, right? If our expression is not matching any case, right, then by default it will execute default case, right? Now let me open VS Code and show you practically. Now let me declare a variable, boolean variable is male, true, right? Now on the basis of this variable we will make a switch case. This is the syntax of switch case, switch. Here we will use our this variable is male. Now inside curly braces, here we will make different cases, right? As you know, boolean has two possibilities, true or false, right? In this way basically we can make two cases, right? One for true and another for false. Let me make a case for true, right? If this value is true, then what will happen? We will print here male, right? And in case of false, what we have to do? Print female, right? So this is our switch case. Let me run. Here you can see it is printing male, right? Because our value is true. Let me change value to false. Now it will print female, right? This is the use of switch case. For example, our value is different here. Let me add a string here, right? Now let me run this. Here you can see there is no output, right? Because our case, both cases are not matching with our expression, right? If there is a situation where our cases are not matching with this expression, then we can use here a default case. Default. Here we can print anything. Let me print invalid expression. Now let me run this. Here you can see it is showing invalid expression because our value is a string, right? If I use here boolean is male, now it will execute. Here you can see this is the use of switch case. This was a first example. Now let me show you another example. Let me remove it. For example, there is an integer day, its value is 1, right? Now we will print weekdays on the basis of switch case. For example, switch case on the basis of day, right? Now here we will make case 1, it will print Sunday, right? Case 2, print Monday. Case 3, print Tuesday. For now it is enough. Let me run this. Here you can see it is printing Sunday because our value is 1, day value is 1, right? In case of 1 it will print Sunday, right? Let me change to 2. Now it will print Monday. Right, here you can see it is printing Monday. Let me change it to 3. Now it will print case 3. Here you can see it is printing Tuesday. This is the use of switch case. For example, there is another value, for example 100. This time it will not execute any case, right? Because it is not matching. In this case it will execute a default, right? Invalid value, right? Let me run. Here you can see it is printing invalid value, right? This is the use of our switch case. Now I will show you where we use break. Here you can see in switch case statement there is a keyword break, right? Where we use break. For example, here in case 1, for example, this is empty, right? There is no statement in case 1, right? And let me change its value to 1, right? This time let me show you what happened. Here you can see it is printing Monday, right? But our value is 1. But where it is printing case 2, right? Because our case 1 is empty. There is no statement in case 1. That is why it is printing next case, right? So that is why we use break. Here if I use break, then it will not execute a next case. Here you can see this time there is no output because our case 1 is empty. There is no statement. So keep in mind, if any case is empty and there is no statement in any case, then it will execute next case, right? So in order to fix this issue, we use break statement, right? So this is very important, right? Otherwise, if our case has some statement, then no need to use break like this. If there is a statement in case 1, then no need to use break. Here you can see if I use break here, then no issue. There is no issue. You can use break with all your cases. Here you can use break on all cases. There is no issue at all, right? But there is no need when your case has some statements. If your case is empty, then break is necessary, right? This is the use of switch case. We can also set case on string value. For example, there is a string value name. There is a value. Now on the basis of this name we can make cases. First case Ahad, second is Ali. For now there will be 2 cases. It will print name, let me run this. Here you can see it is printing Ahad because our case Ahad is here, right? So this is the basic use of switch case. You can explore it more and learn it in more advanced way. You can see different examples on internet. So kindly practice switch case, and if you have any difficulty or any question, you can ask in comment box or you can contact me on WhatsApp. Okay, good luck.